Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we'll be talking about Google Opinion Reward. So many of you guys requested me to make a video about Google Opinion Reward in English. So today we'll be talking about Google Opinion Rewards, like how can you get more and more survey, how can you earn more and more from this particular application. So the basic funda, all the basic tips I'm going to be sharing you in this video. So if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. As you can see, I've got a new survey. I'll be showing you all the things step by step, like how can you get more and more survey. As you can see, this is a zero balance account. I have made a new account. I'll be first showing you how and what the setting you have to do. Like many of you guys don't know how to set your Google Opinion Reward profile, which is very important. If you don't set your Google Opinion Rewards profile properly, as you can see, all the settings have been made by me before. As you can see, the age is 18 to 24. It's very important because 18 to 24 is a limit of the age where people get more and more survey, because most of the people are from youth, and Google just send more and more survey to this age category. And you can select your gender, whatever you want to, and the location should be right, and you can just select any of the language you want. You have to choose a location which is correct. You don't need to scam anything, or you don't need to mislead Google Opinion Reward, because if you are doing everything correctly, Google will definitely give you a better survey and good amount of survey with good amount of money. So the very first thing you have to do is choose everything genuine, and make sure that you are choosing your age 18 to 24. It's very important because 18 to 24 is the age limit where people get more of the survey. You have to always choose 18 to 24. It's very important. So this is the first step. So let's talk about the second step, which is very important, and that is turning on your location. So if you're not using this mode, it's very important, because Google itself says, when you start the application itself, Google says that you have to turn on your location on high accuracy. Make sure your location is turned on high accuracy, because very important. If you are not revealing your location to Google, it might be not that easy for Google to share you some basic normal surveys, like which is your favorite brand and whatever. So it's very important that you share your location on high accuracy. So it's very important. And third most important tip I will be giving you guys is never do this. As you can see, you will simply go into app information and clear data the application, every data. So it's not right, because if you clear data the application's storage, Google will not able to recognize anything, and it's very difficult for it. So you don't have to touch the settings of the application. You need to allow all the permissions, and it's very important. As you can see, no permission is turned on, so you need to just allow all the permissions. It's very important. So if you turn on all the permission, and you should never do this, like you will never clear data this application. It's very important. If you do so, you will not get any sort of survey. And the second most important thing people do is they uninstall this application. It's also very nonsense thing. If you uninstall this application, nobody is going to give you the survey, and when you reinstall the application, Google will definitely not give you the survey as you were getting before. So you should never uninstall the application. You should never touch the permissions. You should never clear data this application. You should always turn on location on high accuracy. And as I said, the age which you are choosing should be 18 to 24. This is a very ideal age which receive more and more survey. So these were all the tips. I gave you all the tips and tricks. If you want my Hindi video, you can check that video in the description below. I'll be giving you the link of that video, and also I'll be putting that video in the I button. So if you're interested, you can also check my Hindi video, and that is also quite interesting.